Hi friends, this is Money for Phones Crunch, and in this video we're going to see the unboxing and overview of Xiaomi Redmi 2. The phone was launched on March 24th in India for a price of 6,999. So this is the successor or second generation phone of Redmi 1S, which has got some slightly improved specs. The phone has got a 4.7 inches 720p IPS display, 1GB RAM, Snapdragon 410 processor, 8 MP primary camera, 2 MP secondary camera, dual SIM support, 2200 mAh battery. So that's the specs. The phone is available through flash sales on Flipkart, so you have to register first to get the device. So this is the phone itself. We have white color variant. Although Xiaomi is selling 4 different colors in China, they are bringing only white color in India. So next up is quick start guide or warranty guide informations, and then we have a travel adapter which has detachable USB port, and then we have a data sync and charging cable. So that's the content of the box. So we have a micro USB port and noise cancellation mic at the bottom, and to the back we have a LED flash, 8 MP sensor and speaker grills, and we have nothing on the left side. So to the top we have a 3.5mm audio jack, and that's on the top. We have a volume rocker and power button on the right side. So we have 2 MP sensor on the front with the loudspeaker, and to the bottom we have capacitive buttons. So this is not LED, just buttons. So that's the overview, and we have removable back cover. So with the help of this indent we can remove the back cover. So just like the Redmi 1S, we can also remove the battery as well. So the first we have a micro SD card slot which can support up to 32GB, and then we have SIM card slots here. So let me just remove the battery. So this is the 2200 mAh battery, and some other values are mentioned here. And then we also have more phone model number mentioned here and SAR value ratings. So that's the overview of the hardware part, and then let's look at the software part. So the phone runs on MIUI version 6, which is based on the Android 4.4 KitKat OS. So it is giving a fluid experience so far, and let me just give you the look at the about phone. So as I said earlier, it is running on Android 4.4 KitKat. Let me just give the animation. So we are about to get Android 5.0 Lollipop update very soon, but there's no information on when will that happen. So the phone has 1GB RAM inside and 4.7GB internal storage out of 8GB. So that's a point you have to note. So that's about this page. So let's take a look at the camera part, which is one of the most important point for anyone to purchase the phone. So just like other Mi devices, this has got a good camera, takes nice pictures, and as you can see, I'm just tapping it. It takes a picture quite fast. So let me just go through the pictures that we have taken recently. So these are the pictures we have taken now. So let me just zoom in on an image. As you can see the detailed picture here. So let me just shift to the front facing camera. So this is the front facing camera, which is a 2 MP sensor taking some beautiful images. So that's all, friends. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos. So that's it. Thank you.